Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing some perennial planting. You can see this gorgeous color right behind me. So this one is a double-coated raspberry beret double echinacea. Aren't these gorgeous and big? So the flowers can reach up to 4-inch diameter and they grow about 20 inches tall, 2 feet wide. Echinacea do really well here for us. I know they do well for a lot of you guys too. In a real full sun area, they attract pollinators. I think they're resistant to deer even. Anyway, there are a zone 4 through 8. The thing I like so much about echinacea, like ours in the garden aren't blooming yet. These, have been grown on to bloom a little bit sooner. But when they're in their natural rhythm, they usually start blooming about midsummer, and then they provide color through the whole season. It's not a plant that I ever deadhead because I like the seed heads. The way they look are really beautiful. They provide forage for wildlife, and they look beautiful in the wintertime too. So they just provide so much color through that like kind of dog days of summer and then through the rest of the season. I just love them. And I think they're gonna look gorgeous tucked in over here on the west side, maybe near some of that purple blooming penstemon. So we'll get some early color from the penstemon, and then these can pick up and be some color later on. Okay guys, let's just get all this planting done and then I'll tour you through, show you how it all ended up looking. Visit one of your local Reston Farms Garden Markets for all of your proven winners plant needs.